if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
So it was not different that day. I moved there, I bought some amazing pair of bed sheets, I'm gonna be showing you in a bit. Then I also bought some new shirts, I'm a set long sleeved shirts. I'm also gonna be sharing those in maybe a mini haul, which I'll do before the end of the vlog. Then I also have a new table in the house, so I also want to show you that. This is also another amazing stretchable pair of bed sheets. If you don't know, I love most of the time to get myself stretchable pair of bed sheets because, guys, I feel like I no longer have the patience in the morning to actually be laying my bed and I'm tucking in things and things are unfolding and all that. No. So each of these was 5,000 Ghana shillings. Also this one, which is currently on the bed, which I've laid on the bed. This one, you see, it is also a stretchable pair of bed sheets. This is more of white, but with some, is it blue? With some blue tones, if that makes sense. 5,000 a pair. Pillowcases going on over here. This is how they do look. They have this amazing, completely amazing, earth toned flower going on over there. Okay, so you guys, I had actually to show you how they did look on camera. So this is actually how they did look, like both of them. This is the first shot going on over here. This was 3,000 Ugandan shillings. This is the second one. Almost it looks like the recent one, and I think that this is a little bit big compared to the other one, which actually I've just showed you. This is the third one going on over here. This is the one which is actually short sleeved, and it has this amazing pattern which I also absolutely love and I adore very, very absolutely much. Hopefully there you can see me very, very well. Actually, this is my time to work. You know, I have my laptop going on over here. I want to just switch it on, start working right now. Actually, I have just a little bit of things to be doing for today. As in for today, I have the thumbnail for this vlog. Then I have to also select music for this particular vlog. Then I also want to do some late night emails. You know, I usually don't love to do emails in the morning, in the evening, but because if you have watched my morning routine, you know that actually I do my emails in the morning, but one of these days I have to do some late night email check because, as I told you, the last 2 weeks they were crazy weeks, preparing for examinations, doing examinations, very, very crazy. I never got the time. Guys, before actually I finish off today's vlog, I want to show you that table which I actually did get recently. So it means that now in my studio I actually have 2 tables. I have this and the other one. The other one is more of my filming table, and I want this one to be more of my workstation-ish kind of table going on over here. So let me know also what you think of this, because I just feel like it was a wise idea to actually go in and get a new table going on over here. Okay, so you guys, it finally comes to the conclusion of this particular vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to continue vlogging and giving you more and more content. I'm just so appreciative, like very, very appreciative. Thank you for every person who has supported me, Tanyanishailoc, as a brand. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. The sky is the limit. I promise not to disappoint you. I promise you that also we got this. I swear we got this, you know. I'm very, very overwhelmed by the love and support I get from you guys. Thank you for that solo sponsorship you give to me through my Airtel money, guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. For every person who has actually sent me money, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very, very absolutely much. And I promise not to disappoint you. Thank you for watching this vlog. I wish you all the best in the new month, and I'm back to vlogging officially. I've not been vlogging, that is the truth. If you are very critical, let me tell you that the videos that you have seen, at least for the past weeks, those videos were pre-recorded. They are recorded very, I think they are recorded even in around the end of January or the start of Feb, something like that. But I've not been vlogging at all. I've been very, very busy accomplishing up with school. But now I'm back. I'm pumped. Makeup videos are coming back on flip. You know, skincare videos are coming back on flip, lit vlogs are coming back on flip, and I can't wait for you guys to see all that amazing work and amazing content. You are the reason why I'm still doing this, and I want to appreciate you a lot and a lot. Let me meet you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like the video, it helps to push it a little bit further. Let me grab you in my next one. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.